Holy crap, what's up guys? This is Caillou Nathan Anderson trying to get away from my crazy psycho dad, and I stole his phone, because, I wanted to.
Caillou, open the freaking door and give me back my phone or it's punishment day.
And anyway, this is my first time being on a YouTube short, so be sure to like, comment, and freaking subscribe right now and please save my life from my dad. See, do you guys see how stupid he is?
Caillou, you are grounded for life. Go to your room now.